up, YouTube? Listen, family, I got $1,000,000 worth of game for you guys on today. Class will be in session, so please take some notes on this gem of a video I'm going to drop for you guys today. Matter of fact, do me a favor, please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Before we start the learning portion of the video, I gotta love on the family. Tweet T absolutely made my day. She said, "Hey coach, thank you so much. Hi coach, I'm an advanced beginner, laughing out loud, and wanted to share my profits. I did a call back in April on Palantir for $95. Follow this, guys, because I am loving on Tweet T today and took my profits yesterday." She showed patience. This is called a swing trade, guys. So what comes up must come down, right? You absolutely right, T. Yep, you guessed it. I turned right back around and did a put on Palantir and took my profits today. I also jumped on the IWM at 21 and took my profits before closing. I'm proud of my big winnings. No, T. I'm proud of your winnings. I'm loving everything about this. Already on her advanced beginner journey, she role plays up with us, and guess what? She logically understood that what goes up must come down. In today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you about blow off tops. Write this word down. Our word of the day is blow off top. I'm going to teach you guys how to make your first 100,000, a million, because when you see what I'm about to teach you, she just did it on a smaller scale. But when she see this from a teaching standpoint, it's going to change her life. Tweet T, if you see this, I want to say major salute. Coach is extremely proud of you. This one is from Shatona. She talked about SoFi in this one. She said, "Hi coach, SoFi has started to move like you called. My third day in wins. Thank you so much." She's up between 80 and 100% on her SoFi plays. Between Tweet T and Shatona, I couldn't be more proud of you guys, man. Listen, when you put in the level of work, the attention to detail, the daily videos, the free information, the learning, and then when you can see fruit, in other people, guys, it's the best feeling. I teach you because I have a duty to teach. Okay, guys, as a kingdom man, I have a duty to teach. Your job is to learn what coach is putting down so that you go out and teach. And guess what? Together, we reach more people. We have to go fishing and get those that are swimming in the ocean that might be lost, okay? So you have to learn this. You got to show up for these videos every day. You got to make sure you like and subscribe. All right, now check this out, guys. Today, look at this real quick. All right, look at this pattern. All right, look at this pattern. This is the look of a blow off top, and this is going to be the lesson that I'm going to teach you guys today. So peep this, look at this. A blow off top pattern are common insecurities where there is a lot of speculative interest. Price rise, usually on positive news or on the prospect of good future news, such as future growth or the release of a positive drug trial. The IWM is going to be the lesson on today because the IWM is doing this as we speak, and I want to teach you how you take advantage of this. Shout out and major salute to those of you that made money on today, just listening and following clear instructions on what to do, okay? But this is an example of a blow off top. Look at this. Look at the big move to the upside. Now listen, I'm going to teach it today, but any stock that you see do this or have a blow off top, you have to know, like T said, what goes up must come down. All right. And I want you guys to embrace, matter of fact, damn near fall in love with understanding this and being open to making money in both directions if you rock with me. Okay. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the lesson. Okay, guys, I have the IWM pulled up on a 1 day time frame. Okay. We gonna get busy today, so I want to make sure that you see and understand a couple things. All right, now this is that move I wanted you to see. The word of the day is blow off top. Okay, I want you guys to know this lesson. All right, that's the start of it right there when something takes off. But why did this take off, coach? Because Wall Street had this pinned down for 2 years. Okay, when something has been pinned down for so long, it is going to eventually take off like a raging bull. Okay, so for 2 years we've been stuck way down here. We couldn't get higher than this. That's 204. Okay, this is where we be getting our levels from. It fell back here, went back here, got rejected, came back down here. This is where I told you guys to get in at originally, right there. This was the 190s. Okay, this is 190 right here. I wanted everybody that rocks with the same gang to get in here, knowing that they can't pin it down forever. Okay, it went up to here, but look, got rejected again. Boom, came down, but look at what crossed. You see the 1348 cross this time? Boom, and we got an explosive move. One candle, two candles, another big candle, and then that big candle. Okay, boom. And so now it's off to the races. Basically from 200, now we're sitting at 224. Okay, now I want you guys in this because what happens is, in this particular case, this is going to run a little bit, but you want to be mindful that a blow off top means this will come all the way back down exactly where it started from, but then come back around and then go back up. Okay, that's how that would happen. What I'm hoping happens, since we're in a bull market, is, now that's your $1 million too, by the way, but what I'm hoping happen is that this pulls back here, boom, what would that be? That would be a bull flag, and then boom, we take off and go to 250. Okay, that's what I'm hoping. So don't feel like you missed it. You will get a chance right there at this level to get back in it and take it back to the upside. But again, you can dollar cost average your way into this play. But I wanted to show you these things, man, because I truly believe when you have the right information, when you have the right teacher who can speak in a way that makes you able to understand it, and then one thing about me, we're going to go out and apply it. I care about you guys getting your feet wet, having some skin in the game. Yes, I'm a teach every day, but I want you to go try and try me at my word that this stuff don't come out how I say it's going to come out. Okay, today I had to teach you about a blow off top because this got the makings of one, and if it come down, I want you to know you heard it here first. Coach showed us, taught us about what it was, what it do, how you make $100,000 or $1 million off of that alone. Okay, that's how that go. However, it's going to come back around and head back to the upside. So they're giving you clues of the levels they want to touch. So when it do pull back, you now know it can go to 204, 210, 213, 217, 220, and 224. You know 6 levels of resistance that it can go to if they try to do a blow off top and pull it back down to the 200s. Okay, with that being said, you ride the momentum for the time being. Right now they haven't showed me a candle that's saying we're coming down. I just have to always prepare my flock in advance for what's to come, what likely is to come, what's inevitable, what's ultimately going to come at some point down the road. Okay, but with that being said, I want you guys to stay on the right side of the trade, continue to make your money in this. Shout out to everybody that's cooking in this right now. I got all the screenshots today. I've been talking about this in the past few videos, and I talked about this back in February, just letting you know this was coming. It finally came, and here we are. Okay, so listen, man, I wanted to teach you guys this lesson. This is called a blow off top. Okay, when it happens, I want everybody to just remember, yep, Coach put us onto this. Coach let us know. He showed it. He illustrated this for us about what to expect so that you don't panic or fret when these things happen. Matter of fact, this is one other way. I gave you several plays this year to help you towards your 100K challenge, but this will be another one that if you catch this whole move, which I don't want you to do, just catching some of it is good enough. But for those that get lucky and catch this whole thing, if and when it do pull back, It's life-changing money as well. This is called a blow-off top, guys. Put that in your Rolodex. Add that to your list of stock lingo that you've learned here on the channel, okay? And let me know if you love learning. Okay, guys, 2 stocks that I want on your radar right now would be the IWM. We just covered it. Okay, you see it's off to the races. There's no telling how high, how far this can go. So you are just to get in. Listen to this, guys. Small caps are going to take the mantle. They're going to take the baton and run. I'm not a fan of all small cap companies because a lot of them aren't profitable. So therefore, I like the IWM. That way it gives me exposure and access to the ones that are decent, and I don't have to worry about them individually. So the IWM is how I play this, okay? Another one I got for you guys is ACMR. This one has a potential to take off, okay? I'm talking about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x. Why? Because BlackRock and the big dogs, the real money, are looking at this, eyeing this, buying this, targeting this, okay? And when you have their focus shift to a small company, guess what? When they're so small and they have all those trillions and billions of dollars, it's easy to move the stock. Put this one on your radar next to the IWM, okay? Add those two to the mix with the lesson I taught you guys today on top of every other lesson I've poured into you guys, okay? Keep the game simple, man. Find what works for you. Find you 1 or 2 horses and let them do the heavy lifting, okay? Listen, guys, I just wanted to say job well done today. If you were able to get in the market, make some money. But regardless, we got a brand new day tomorrow, okay? Midweek tomorrow is Wednesday. We'll have a chance to get in our bag and do what we do. I want you guys to stay sharp. I want you guys to focus on execution. And listen, guys, take it one day at a time, one play at a time. Always run your race at your pace and don't worry about what anybody else is doing. Worry about where you're at on your journey, okay? I won't hold you guys up. We'll be right back at it tomorrow. Use the lessons you learned today. Just tuck it in your back pocket for when the time is right. You can apply this to any stock you see that has ran up crazy, and when it get ready to come down, you will see what's called a blow off top, okay? It is very lucrative. It makes you a lot of money, and guess what? The stock market takes the escalator down, so it's gonna happen fast. You ain't have to worry about no slow melt up like we've been doing in the bull market these last few weeks. This gonna come down fast, and it's gonna make you money even faster, okay? With that being said, guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.